Key watchouts for animal-free enthusiasts. Switching to an animal-free diet can be a healthy and ethical choice, but it's important to be aware of the key nutrients that may be lacking in such a diet. In this video, we'll discuss the top 5 nutrients that vegans need to watch out for to ensure they're getting all the nutrients they need for optimal health. 1. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, is primarily found in animal-based foods, so vegans need to obtain it from fortified foods or supplements. 2. Vitamin D. While sunlight is a primary source of vitamin D, vegans can get it from fortified plant-based milk alternatives or supplements. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Vegans can get these essential fatty acids from algae-based supplements or by consuming plant-based sources such as chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. 4. Iron. Vegans can get iron from fortified cereals, legumes, nuts, and leafy greens, and can improve absorption by consuming vitamin C-rich foods along with iron-containing foods. 5. Protein. While it is possible to get enough protein on a vegan diet, it requires careful planning and a varied diet. Good sources of vegan protein include legumes, tofu, tempeh, seitan, nuts, and seeds. By being aware of the key nutrients that may be lacking in an animal-free diet, vegans can ensure they're getting all the nutrients they need for optimal health. In addition to the 5 key nutrients discussed in this video, vegans should also be mindful of their intake of other nutrients such as zinc, iodine, and vitamin K2, which are primarily found in animal-based foods but can be obtained from plant-based sources or supplements. It's important for vegans to ensure they're getting a varied and balanced diet to meet all their nutrient needs. Consulting a registered dietitian can also be helpful in ensuring adequate nutrient intake. By following these tips, vegans can maintain a healthy and satisfying animal-free diet. At Sinonin Biotech, we understand plant protein chemistry, functionality and texturization technology with practical experience and expertise in the human and pet food applications. If you wish to develop vegan meat analogs with plant proteins, talk to us. We shall help you on the choice of functional proteins, texturization technologies, formulation and validation strategies to deliver an authentic muscle-like product for human and pet food diets. Contact us today.